If you want to create a brand new YouTube channel in the space niche but have no idea where to start, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a successful space channel like the ones getting millions of views. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding viral video ideas to creating a strategy that actually works. The best part is that you can learn everything in less than 10 minutes. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Your support really helps me continue making free tutorials like this, and it also lets me know what type of content you'd like to see next. Now let's jump into it. The first thing you'll notice if you study successful space channels is that most of their videos are built around a question. Instead of using a normal title, they ask something that immediately makes people curious. For example, what if the Earth stopped spinning? What if Earth had 2 suns? What if the moon disappeared overnight? These types of questions instantly grab the viewer's attention because people naturally want to know the answer. Curiosity is one of the biggest reasons someone clicks on a video, and that's exactly why this strategy works so well. Now, let's move to the first prompt. Here, you'll copy the links of a few successful YouTube channels that you want to use as references. For this example, I'm going to copy the links from these 3 space channels. After that, I'll open ChatGPT and ask it to analyze these channels in depth. I want ChatGPT to study their content strategy, identify what makes them successful, explain why their videos perform so well, and suggest the best strategy for creating a new channel in the same niche. Finally, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate several viral video ideas based on what it learned from those reference channels. This gives us a strong foundation and a clear roadmap for creating our very first video with a much higher chance of getting views. As you can see, there are countless video ideas in the space niche. You can create videos about space, galaxies, planets, Earth, the Moon, the solar system, black holes, stars, and many other fascinating topics. The first thing you need to do is choose one idea that you like. Once you've found your topic, simply copy the title or the idea and head over to ChatGPT. Here you'll ask ChatGPT to write a complete script based on that idea. Don't forget to specify the length of the video you want. For this tutorial, I only need a 10-minute script, so that's exactly what I'll ask for. After ChatGPT generates the script, we'll ask it to divide the video into chapters. This makes it much easier to review the content and make any changes if necessary. If there's anything you don't like, simply tell ChatGPT what you want to change, and it will rewrite that section for you. Once everything looks good, we'll tell ChatGPT to start writing the script. As you can see, it writes the first chapter, then the second, and continues until the entire script is complete. Now, it's time to create our voiceover. For that, we'll go to ElevenLabs. Here, we'll choose the voice that best matches our video style. There are many excellent voices available, so pick the one you like the most. Then, simply copy each part of your script and paste it into ElevenLabs. One important tip is to remove the chapter titles before generating the audio. This makes the narration flow naturally like a story, so viewers stay engaged without feeling like they're listening to separate sections. Once the voiceover is ready, the process is very simple. Generate the audio, download it, and repeat the same steps for each part of the script until you've finished the entire narration. Now, we need the background footage for our video. For this, we'll visit Pexels, where you can find thousands of free stock videos. Search for clips related to your topic. For example, if your video is about the solar system, search for terms like space, Earth, galaxy, moon, or whatever fits your script. Make sure the videos you download are free to use on YouTube and fit the style of your content. Once you've found the right clips, download them and keep them organized for editing later. The next thing we'll need is background music. I'll use Pixabay, which offers a large collection of royalty-free music. Search for a calm cinematic track that matches the mood of your video. Before downloading any music, always double-check the license to make sure it's safe to use on YouTube. This helps you avoid copyright issues in the future. Now it's time to create our thumbnail. For me, I'll simply use ChatGPT. I'll ask it to generate a YouTube thumbnail based on my script. After waiting a few moments, it creates the first version. Personally, I don't think this thumbnail is perfect, so I'll improve it. I'll go back to Pexels and search for a high-quality image related to my topic. Once I find a good reference image, I'll return to ChatGPT and ask it to recreate the thumbnail using that image as inspiration while making it match the content of my script. The result looks much better. Then I'll ask ChatGPT to generate it in the correct 16:9 YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio. After downloading the thumbnail, I'll ask ChatGPT to suggest a few short and catchy text ideas that I can add to it. Now let's open Canva. We'll create a new YouTube thumbnail project and import the image we just generated. Next, we'll return to ChatGPT, choose one of the suggested thumbnail texts, and paste it into Canva. We'll position the text where it looks best, choose a bold and easy-to-read font, and then repeat the same process for the second line of text. To make the text stand out, we'll change the colors, for example using white and red, depending on the design. Then we'll add a black background or shadow behind the text to improve readability, especially on mobile devices. If you want, you can also add arrows, circles, glow effects, or other small elements to make the thumbnail even more eye-catching. Once you're happy with the final result, simply export and download your thumbnail. Now it's time to edit the video. We'll open CapCut and create a new project. First, import all of the assets we've already prepared: the background videos, the voiceover, and the background music. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Next, drag and drop the stock videos one by one, matching each clip with the part of the script it relates to. Continue doing this until you've covered the entire duration of the narration. Once all the clips are in place, check your video's aspect ratio and make sure every clip fits correctly. If any footage needs to be zoomed in, cropped, or repositioned, make those adjustments now. After that, add your background music underneath the voiceover. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. The narration should always be clear and easy to understand. Finally, trim the music so it ends exactly when the voiceover finishes. And that's it. Your video is now complete and ready to publish on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this video helped you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye everyone.